That you're on my mind, boy. You make me feel nice. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you mine.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hey y'all, it's me. It's NISHAA on the scene, and I'm about to make another lit video. Hey y'all, so today is gonna be my little Christmas room tour slash, I guess, just room tour or whatever. So I'm not showing myself because I don't have anybody to record it for me, so we just gonna get the rundown, you know, for me and all that. First, as y'all see, oh, don't look at that, but as y'all see in my videos and stuff, this is my background. This is the side of the wall when you first walk in. This is my cat right here. Can't go. Just being a cat. So this is my bed right now. I just got these new sheets and I don't know if I'm feeling it yet. You know, I'm kind of getting used to it, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, these are my new sheets, whatever. Just a laptop here and a charger. My prom picture. And yeah, isn't that cute, y'all? Okay, so then after that is just the headboard and this little Santa hat right here, which I found really cute, so I put that there. After that is just old drawing of me on September 23rd, 2010. And yeah, this is just an old drawing of me or whatever. It's just my iPhone box, little teddy bear that my boyfriend got me, and these two little bows. This teddy bear that my father had got me on my graduation day, and then this rose that my boyfriend had got me, and this blue, and it's time to throw it away, but I just don't want to, so yeah. And then, you know, my controllers and whatever. So first thing here is my Echo, and then it's these two old makeup bags that I used to use, but it's like old makeup and stuff like that I don't use. Back here is some hair dyes that's left over in case I want to do a color again. You know, I know I have a bottle of it still. Yeah, here's just some hair clips. Right here is just a picture of me and a middle school friend and another middle school friend, sweet 16 at the time. Just like sewing, what's this stuff called? Thread. Sewing thread for my wigs and, you know, little knickknacks. This is like a mini ring light that I use when I travel. Then little knickknacks in here as well. Right here it's just, you know, ointment and like pimple cream and like dark spot cream and all that, and then, you know, whatever. Right over here is just my little scrunchies. Right here is like that teeth whitener that you guys be seeing on Instagram. Like this, yeah, batteries, you know, unnecessary stuff. Right here is just my everyday makeup, my foundations or whatever. These are the foundations that I use, if y'all want to know. Fit Me foundations and L'Oreal. Fit Me foundations and L'Oreal. And Lancome. I'm saying L'Oreal, look at me. Right here is my powder. If you're Caribbean, you know you always have to have your powder no matter what. And right here is just my everyday lashes or whatever. And yeah. Then right here is just some hair cream or whatever y'all want to call it. Right here is my makeup bag that I use now. this is all my hair stuff. So this is just water in a bottle, spray bottle. This is my mousse. This is great mousse. Yeah, I recommend this for like braids or wigs. It don't even matter. It works for both. My lotion, my hairspray, braid spray, gel, got to be spray, just a regular spray, perfume, powder, makeup, remover oil, deodorant, got to be gel, and then some brushes and some scrunchies in here. So yeah, this is basically my, I guess, I don't know if it's considered as like a vanity, but yeah, it's right here. Just some thank you cards that I'm making because I have a lash business, and yeah, the link is gonna be down below, so go purchase some lashes. My basically hair utensils, I guess. So this is my curling wand, my hair dryer, my flat iron, my hot comb. Yeah, so this is my lash drawer, whatever. These are the lashes that I have. It's Luxury, Mama's, Baby Girl, Chanel, and T. And then I have 4 winners that will get 4 natural lashes also as well. So yeah, it's my lash drawer. And then I really love this mat. It's my cute little mat. I really love it. Y'all think this is cute because like, period. And then right here is just my cat's bed. You know, he gotta have his little bed or whatever. It's mad big, it's mad cute, it's mad comfortable. Y'all don't even understand. He don't even like his bed, but we're not gonna get to that, okay? So over here is just my wig. I don't mind that, it's kind of like old. Then there's some more thank you cards, and then it's my crimp thing. I would usually put my crimp thing inside of where I put all my hair stuff, but it can't fit because I have too much of the hair stuff. So yeah, so from here to thank you cards, I have my scale, and this is like a little logo thing too, for like little logo stuff for my lashes. So yeah, but this is my scale for when I scale my lashes and do shipments. And then from here is just this baggie, and this baggie is full of nail polishes. This is like a little mirror light or whatever to do makeup if somebody wants to do makeup or come over and want to do makeup. Even though I have a ring light, but in case you want to get up close in person, you can do that. Right here is just some hair clips. I sell these on my website, so if y'all want some hair clips, yes, purchase some hair clips. They're mad pretty. They're all on my Instagram. My lash business Instagram, which is NC Lashes. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here so y'all can see. And yeah, it's just up here, which is just a bunch of sunglasses that I have throughout the years. Actually, I don't even be wearing these, y'all. Don't know why. I mostly only wear those glasses, and these are I have recently got. So yeah, but that's the glasses and stuff. So on from there, when you look up, it's this beautiful curtain set. I have my AC right here, but don't mind that. So it's this beautiful curtain set, and these lights are up for the holidays, as y'all can tell. So cute, and it obviously is turning on and off, whatever. Y'all get the point. Behind these curtains is this old thing that I had created when I was little, and basically it says Caress, Starbucks because I loved Starbucks, music notes because I love music still, cookies because I loved cookies, makeup, sweet, Minion because I love Minions, on the go because I'm always on the go, don't care because, you know, your girl don't be caring about stuff, and beauty and stuff like that. But yeah, this is what I had made mad long ago, and yeah, I don't know, y'all. I thought I was some artist, but yeah. That's that. Here in the corner is just a lamp and then a baby suitcase. Right here is just my favorite robe, my Asian robe, my everything. Then it's my closet, And up here is just some games, you know, friends come over, play games, my boyfriend come over, play games, and so on, so on. Then I have this game house thing, which is a bunch of games in one box. Then I have a couple of like books and stuff. A shipment that was the wrong size up here, and I have yet to return it and stuff like that. But don't judge me, y'all. These are all my clothes, and y'all don't really need to see all of that, so we're just gonna go over to this side of the closet. So once you open up this closet, you see my Louis Vuitton bag, and it says the LV thing is what it came in or whatever. And then actually back here I think I have like 2 black purses or something, but I'm not gonna mess up the style, you know. So down here is just this Fashion Nova orangey copper purse. Back here is just another type of purse. I don't know, I don't think this was Fashion Nova. I think this was like Forever 21. Right here is Fashion Nova as well. See-through purse. This is a Versace purse. This was my 8th grade prom purse. This is a Michael Kors purse. And then right here is my Sony camera. Do not ask in the comments why I don't use this camera. I kind of want a camera where I could flip out the screen on the inside, so yeah. Then this little Versace little case thingy, and then this measure thing. But yeah, anyways, down here is just my old Crocs, my CDG Converse, my Gucci sneakers, my Kenzos, and then right here is my Yeezys, some Fashion Nova heels, my Crocs, and my Uggs. And then sorry y'all, I gotta move this big printer right here. Right here is just my printer. Is a scanning it printer, and then yeah, you can just print whatever you want. And yeah, just my postal papers in here for my shipments and my orders or whatever. And yeah, let's get into the next, guys. I've been chatting for stupid. Here's my cute little carpet, and then from there is this ring light, which is my bestie. Like, my ring light is my bestie. So yes, cute little ring light, and look how cute this looks, y'all. So cute, so cute. All right, so then as we walk, my laundry bag here, y'all don't need to see. Then I have more boxes and shoes going down. Then I have, y'all, I kind of was feeling to just do this video, so I just was throwing stuff in my drawers and stuff. So yeah, so this is my little thingy, and my MCM bag, as y'all know, my everyday purse. This little thingy thing that I was supposed to be using but I don't be using is this TV. And then from the TV, I know y'all can see me right there. Hey y'all. Anyways, so from the TV is my little room tree. The last but not least touch is so cute, y'all. I left this for last because it's so cute. So this is a little star, and then yes, y'all see this? I know y'all see how cute this is. Like, come on now. Then I put this here to make it look cute, and then I have some candles and stuff. And yeah, so this is my room. I'm gonna give y'all a little overview. Then in this corner, y'all, is just all my shipment stuff, and all that is organized. And then a little chair, then my laundry little dryer thingy, and that's it, y'all. That's my room Christmas tour or whatever. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I have to get more stuff to upgrade my room, but this is just for now. When I upgrade my room and stuff, I'm definitely going to do another room tour. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful tree. And yeah, so bye guys.
bag, Gucci bag.